Hi, welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to assemble modeling the 3D modeling the screw jack using a solid software. So let me see the question now. The details of the screw jack is shown in figure. Assemble the parts of the jack and draw the following views of the assembly. When top of the face of the load bearing cup is raised to a 350 mm above bearing surface of the body, draw the front view in off section and top view and show only important dimension assembly in the drawing and write the screw jack at the item list. So now finally this is screw jack now. uh, this is screw jack mainly used purpose is to use to lift the load. Mainly they're going to use in all those automobiles and all. So here we need to do assembly drawing like this finally in a form of 2D, and that we need to do it in we have to produce the convert this 3D into 2D, and we have to show the front view along with the right of section we need to show, and also we need to show the top view. For that, they given the power drawing like this. So let me analyze the drawing first. Analyze the drawing is very important. First, we need to see in the title uh, title works. That is this is known as bill of material. What are the types? How many items are there? And what is its name? What it's made up of the material as well as how many numbers. So there are totally 7 items are there, and first one is body, and it's made of cast iron. It is one, and second one is nut. Third one is screw spindle, and cup washer special. It is made up of iron 410. CSK screw. It is also Fe 410, and Tommy bar. It is Fe 410. So the body one is marked here. It is one. The second one. So second one is you can see here. Third one is screw spindle. That is here. Fourth one. Fourth one is cup. You can see that is here. Then fifth one, that is washer, and sixth one screw, and finally the seventh one is a Tommy bar. So let me take the first one part, that is body. So here the main thing is first we need to identify what are the views they given. In part number one they given only front view, but whereas in part two, that is nut, they given the this is front view as well as this is top view. So some dimension will be in front view and some dimension will be on top view. In third, it is given only front view, as well as in fourth, that is also front view as well as top view. That is fifth one, that is washer, that is side view, front view as well as side view, and even the same thing as in the screw also. So let me take to the first one, that is body. So first one is body. As you can observe here, this body, it is the given the diameter 70, here 50, and bottom is 100, 1 feet. That means it's a circular nature. So circular means it is a, like a symmetric in nature. Therefore, so here we can do only section drawing and we can take to reverse protrusion. Therefore, we'll get a whole section. So for this, we are going to take up only of observe the only hatching part. Now we are going to draw, this is the base drawing, and we are going to neglect all the cutouts and all. First we'll draw this base sketch. This base sketch is look like this. Okay, so the base drawing sketch we need to draw like this. So let me analyze the dimensions now. So from here to 17, that is 140 divided by 2, so that is 70, and from here to it is 20, it is 20, from here it is 20, and from here to it is 20, and from the top view, sorry, and the front here you can see 50 divided by 2, that is 25, and 70 divided by 2, that is 35, and totally 185 divided by 2, that will be around that is total height is 185, not divided by 2, and from here to it is that radius is diameter is 100 divided by 2, and thickness of this hatching portion will be around 10, and from here to here the diameter is 66, that is divided by 2, that will be 33. So now we need to draw this sketch, and we're going to use a protrude command to produce the model like this. So let me get into the solid edge now to execute this. Okay, once you open the solid edge, you'll get a this four option, that is solid part, sheet metal, weld, met, and assembly drawing. So now we are going to create a 3D drawing. For that we need to select a solid part now. So now once you select it, it will take you to the solid part window, and as you can see, so this is a graphical window where we are going to model. It will visible here, and these are the some toolbars which is most useful, and this also a toolbar, that is main toolbar, and this will be the tree, that means what are the options we are selecting, it will look here. So mainly we are going to use much options like protrusion, revolve protrusion, cutouts, revolve cutout, wall, fillet, all those things much we are going to useful. So now in order to do this part 1 for the screw jack, let me select the sketch now. So there is, let me select the revolve protrusion. So select the front view as a coincident plane, as a sketching plane. Now, so let's draw this basic sketch without any dimension using a line command. So select the line, and I'm going to draw the basic sketch. Some, it will look like this, something without any dimension. Now let me trip the unwanted projections. Okay, now I'm going to assign the dimension. So these are one of the easiest we can do that. So therefore let me select the smart dimensions, then give it from here, sorry, from here, it is here around 140 divided by 2, that is 70 mm. Next, from here to here it is around 20 mm. Also from here to this end it is 50, 100 divided by 2. Also we are going to do parallel, so this line should be parallel to this. Next, select this small dimensions again, give this as 40, and select from here to this end, it will be 66 divided by 2, that is 33. Then from here to here it is around 50 divided by 2, that is 25. From here to here it is around 70 divided by 2, that is 35. Also need to give select the distance between, in default it will be here horizontal vertical, select by 2 points, and select this point and this end point, and give as 10 mm. 10 mm. Now finally we give the dimension of, from, that is height, from here to here it will be around 185 mm. Now finally the drawing will be look like this. Now good. Now for the revolve protrusion, it's a must and should we have to mention the axis of rotation. So the axis of rotation with respect to this vertical axis, it has to be revolve. And go back to the modeling mode, come back to that is written, then select as 360 degree here and right mouse click. So this completes the basic part. Now let me see what are other things we need to do. So here we need to do one cutout of 3 mm depth for a radius and diameter of 100 mm. Now let me go for that. Here there is a called cutout option. Select this base and select a circle. Here you mention the diameter as 100 mm and click on to the center. Now go back to return and the depth should be, you have to cut it, should be 3 mm. So right mouse click, then finish. Now cutout is done. Next step is, here I can observe now there will be a fillet will be there here. Around of this will be radius 8 mm. So therefore, and also there will be a radius small fillet is there here and also here. So this fillet radius is not given. If they're not given means, as you can observe in the part drawing, um, here you can see in a bill of material table they given the radius is 1. That means if radius is not given means you have to take as radius 1, and even chamfer as a 1 into 45 degree. So that means if they're not given, we have to take as 1 mm. So now let's get into the solid edge, and here you need to select as round, and here you mention as 1 mm, and we can going to do this. Select this edge as well as select this edge. So now right mouse or right here and give preview and finish. So now you can see there will be a fillet is done on this edge, and there is a one more fillet as we observe here, that is 8 mm, that is the given. Let me do that again. Once again you select the fillet option and give here around 8 mm, press enter. Now select this, okay, then preview, finish. So now by this we are successfully complete the part 1. And one more thing I need to teach you here, very important shortcut. So in order to change the views, front view, top view and all, so using control F, it will give the front view. Control T, T stands for top view. Control R, right view. Control L, left view. And control I will be the isometric view. So please use this shortcut to change to view the different view. And finally we need to save this. Go to save option, save, and here give a summary. So what is the title we need to mention here? That is very important. So as per the bill of material given, that only we need to mention, that is body. So here mention as body, press ok. Now create one separate folder which is named in the screw jack. Okay, so already having that, so I will open. So I will create one more screw jack folder in a different path. Okay, so screw jack. Now here I will mention the same. It's very important, don't give any other name. So because why it will be go to the same name is when you're generating the bill of material at the end, that is in 2D drawing, that is very useful. So fine, hope you are understood. So we'll see in the next video, that is part number 2. Thank you.